Hi everyone, this is AI Discovery and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore Hanyuan Image 2.1, which is the new text-to-image model from Tencent. It is fully open source, so you can use it right now and you can download it from the GitHub page. With this model you can also create 2K images with only 24 gigabytes of GPU memory. And as you can see from the examples, we have a very high ranging capacity because we can create high quality portraits, we can create cartoonish images, we can create designs, avatars, and also ads for products. So it has a lot of features that we're going to explore right now. But first, let me explain how it works. Basically, it is a regular text-to-image model, which is a diffusion model. And after that, it has a second step. So it has a refiner model. So it can enhance and further better the image quality and clarity. The key features are that you can create high quality images up to 2K as a resolution. You can use different languages because it supports Chinese and English prompts. Compared to other models, it has a very high score in mean image accuracy and global accuracy, and it is the best of the open source models. To use it, you can install it locally, so you can clone the repository and install all the dependencies, but you can also install it through Comfy UI. Right here on the left, we can see the translation for the whole prompt, and it is a very long and specific prompt, and the model was able to perform very well. Another example of the features of this model are the text, prompts, and detail control, because right here we can see that there is a very specific prompt for the image on the left, and it was able to write the word PromptEnhancer perfectly as the user asked, because we have the purple text, purple and pink actually, floating in midair, surrounded by a soft halo casting a reflection of the words on the water surface, and we can see that the result is nearly perfect. And on the right we can see that it is spelling a Chinese character which means forest, and it was created by the branches. So we have a mix of text and image here, and it was really smart in understanding perfectly what the user was asking. Right here we have another example of a close-up shot that focuses on a young girl, and the detail and photorealism is very impressive. I would compare it with the best GPT-5 model for image generation, and also with Flux Crea Dev, which is the state of the art of photorealism. And on the right we have a example of a painting by Claude Monet with a young boy selling newspapers and a young lady playing the piano. Over here we have some more prompts that use the combination of text and images, both realistic and cartoonish, and I think it performed very well, and I really like the way it depicts colors and the way it can really understand really long and complex prompts. This is from the official Hugging Face space, so you can use the model right now. You can use the non-distilled model, and we just generated the standard prompt from the default page. We got a 2K image output. The quality is very high. You can see the details in the image on the Mona Lisa painting, and basically it took less than 2 minutes to generate.